Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we have our lovely pork here, well seasoned and ready to go in the oven. And look, yes, that's a guan. What a guan, guys. Pork seasoned just right, baked just right, tasting just right, looking just right. Guys, may I tell you, it have a buzz. And you have zini fried chicken, right? Yes, so yes, man, ready, nice. Yes, guys, and we also have escovitch fish on the menu for Thanksgiving. I know the kids are going to love this, even though you know fish carry bone, but you don't know, so you have to go on the thing for them and help them to pave the way and angle them thing. Yeah, but guys, I love fried fish, so I know I'm gonna angle this one real good. And fried fish is super nice with festival, and festival is on our menu.
So yes guys, so for our fish we're making some festival dough to fry. But this we're not gonna fry tonight, I'm gonna fry it in the morning. Yeah. So it's gonna be a whole lot of stuff to eat in the morning. See? Nice Grace Festival. Yeah, these are very nice when you fry them. They came out really nice. Comes out really nice, I should say, sorry. Yeah. Well, I fried some before and they came out really nice, so that's just it. Yeah, it's a pretty good amount of dough. Yeah. So we're gonna eat till belly bust tomorrow. Thanksgiving, everybody.
Yes, guys, and as you can see, we have some turkey wings here, and as you can notice, we fry them first. Yes, yeah, man. We fry them, after which we're going to add our sauce to it. Yes, Diana gonna make the sauce for it, and we will be adding the sauce to the chicken. Guys, are you ever call it chicken? Yes, man. Them are some big wings, turkey, not chicken, turkey. I love chicken, but for some reason I don't really fancy the turkey breast. Yes, I prefer eating the wings. Yes, guys, so I decided to do turkey wings for the kids, for Zane and Gabrielle. And this is our homemade sauce, even though we had a different barbecue sauce to it, had some little things and some other ingredients. Yeah, guys, it tastes super nice. Like, nobody does it better than the DMR family. Yes, guys, I'm excited. Thanksgiving is coming up, and you know, say, yeah. It's just a good time. It's a time when, you just have a good time. Good time with family. And guys, I'm going to apply the sauce to the turkey. Then I'm going to place it in the oven for it to finish, for it to finish cooking. Then watch your rice in a no friendly thing with nobody. Watch your rice not sticky like bubble gum. My rice not in a no friendly nothing with nobody. Yeah. So this is my red peas, rice and peas, big pot, ready to go. Gungu, rice and peas.
Yes guys, Dee in the kitchen again one more time. And guess what guys? I'm making sweet potato pudding. Yes, so here I have like 4 large sweet potato that I bought. I already gone ahead and peeled one of them. Yes guys, so stay tuned and watch the process. Yes guys, and when making sweet potato pudding, You have to use the Jamaican sweet potato. Those, the red ones, you can't use those. Those ones that have the orange color, those ones are no good. Those ones are just full of water. Yes, guys, so this is the potato you need. So this is the texture with the yellow inside and the red on the outside. Nice Jamaican sweet potato. If you want your potato pudding to come out really nice and lovely. Yes, guys, and the final one. So guys, homemade style. So I'll be using my grater to grater this one, and then first let me wash and show it to you guys. So these are the sweet potatoes. They're beautiful. 4 nice beautiful ones, real big ones. Yes guys, so just wash them real properly, and then I'm going to grate these. So I'm using this little tiny one, but it's getting the job done. As you can see, nice and fast. Come show the people inside. Nice and fast. See in there? Yep. Yes guys, now I'm coming to an end of the grating of the sweet potato. This is it. Alright guys, that's it. So this is my sweet potato. Normally guys, it's changing color a little bit, but that's okay. So guys, guess what? I have nice coconut. I'm going to grate a few pieces of coconut in it. Not too much, just maybe 2 pieces. Yeah. So when you grate this in it guys, it give it that nice coconut texture also. Yes guys, you see that? So the coconut is going to be a part of the blend of the mixture. Yes. Yes guys, stay tuned and I'll show you more. Yes guys, as you see, I grated some coconut inside, and now I'm just gonna add some stuff inside. So over here I have my coconut mixture, which I'm gonna add some spice to that, and then here I have some maybe say half a cup of cornmeal I'm gonna add to it. So let me get this out. guys, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and guess what? I didn't remember to buy yam. So I'm going to use a bit of say maybe half a cup of flour for binding agent and half a cup of cornmeal. And then I'm going to blend all of this in. So I'm going to try to whip all of this in. Yes guys, and we have natural brown sugar here. Yeah, nice sugar for our blend. So guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some sugar in. Normally you have folks who blend it with the coconut milk, or maybe I can do that. So what I'm gonna do, so I have some sugar here, I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Cinnamon. So guys, I'm adding some cinnamon powder. Not too much. So maybe a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, based on the amount of texture that of the dough that I have here. Nutmeg, I'm just doing another thing. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And guys, I have some mixed spice here. I'm gonna add the same amount. Like a spoon of it. And this is not the big tablespoon, so it's the medium size one. Yeah. Like this one, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So this is the bigger spoon, the tablespoon. 1, 2. And this one I'm using is the Benjamin vanilla. Yes guys, so I have some coconut milk here. So I'm gonna add some of this. Nicely blend coconut milk. That's it. And then I'm gonna whip this, and then we're gonna add it to the sweet potato. My bowl is not so big, so yeah. See, bright and nice. This is it, guys. So, oh, why I still have this one in. So this is the texture now. This is the dough, should say, and that I already gone ahead and put together. So I'm just gonna add my mixture to it. So this is the sugar with all the spice and stuff. I'm just gonna add to sweeten it a bit. I can move fast, man. Move one. Alright, guys, this is it. This is it. Beautiful. And guys, I don't want the dough to be watery. Yes, guys, that's it. It's good. I just need like salt. This is like half a teaspoon of salt. Not too much salt. Just for taste. I'll bring the taste up. And then I'll whip this in. You know what? Let me add some more coconut milk. And then the rest I'm gonna leave it for my thing on the top. And normally some folks boil the coconut milk with the spices. But honestly, I'm a bit tired. Yes, guys, I've been doing a lot of cooking, a lot of prepping, and yeah, it's almost time to sleep. But I want to do this one and then before bed. Yes, guys, this is it. One more thing, guys. This is some raisin that I have soaking in. Do you see me? Yes, guys, I have some butter that I'll go on ahead and melt. I'm just gonna add some melted butter. So in this pan now I have some coconut milk, butter, mixed spice, nutmeg, and a bit of sugar. And I want this to add to the end of the pudding. So this is gonna be on the topping of the pudding. I'm just gonna put this for boil a bit. Come to a boil. And then we're gonna add that to our pudding. Yes, guys, so guess what? We're making sweet potato pudding. Alright, stay tuned. I want to have a nice, and some. So I just whipped in my butter into the mix. Yeah, my pan is a bit messy, but you know, it's what it is. It's that time of day. So, alright, guys, in this I have some raisin. I should have soaked them a bit longer, but you know, doing so much things and then forget about it. So normally when you're adding your raisins, you have to coat them with flour in order for them not to sink to the bottom of the pudding. So you flour them, then you put them in your pudding. So this is a lot of raisin, guys.
Yeah.
So yes, guys, so for our fish we're making some festival dough to fry, but this we're not gonna fry tonight. I'm gonna fry it in the morning. Yeah, so it's gonna be a whole lot of stuff to eat in the morning. See, nice Grace Festival. Yeah, these are very nice when you fry them. They came out really nice. Comes out really nice, I should say. Sorry. Yeah. Well, I fried some before and they came out really nice. So that's just it. Yeah. It's a pretty good amount of dough. Yeah. So we're gonna eat till belly bust tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Yes, guys, that's the potato pudding. Tasting really nice. Yes, people, so this is my vegetable